going to show you how to do a back post double crochet. I use the back post double crochet in a lot of my patterns. You can do a back post with just about any stitch, single crochet, half double crochets. I'm going to show you how to do it with a double crochet. So you want to yarn over, and instead of working in the top of your stitches, you're going to work around the post of your stitch. So you're going to come in the back side behind the right side of your post. Behind, you're going to go over the post and back through the space after it. Yarn over, pull through, continue your double crochet. Again, you yarn over, insert before the post, around the post, exit after the post. I'll do a few more and show you what it looks like. The back post creates a pretty texture, can be used for a accent to make a section stand off because it kind of creates an outline. Okay, so if you can see here, there's a ridge created in front of your stitches, creates this outline.